Hi there. Thanks for tuning into our video blog. My name is Paul Brouillette. I'm with Layer Realty Partners. On behalf of our team, we want to wish you a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Our team consists of Joanne Meridian, Maureen Kelly, Jody Marchand, Liam Brouillette, and myself, Paul Brouillette. We really appreciate your support this year. This has been a record-breaking year for us, and we're very, very grateful for your support and the opportunity for us to help you with your home purchases and your investments. And just a brief theme that I want to share with you in this message is that the philosophy that we have as a real estate team here with Layer Realty Partners in the northeast of Massachusetts and southern New Hampshire is to help you discover the art of happy moving. And it's really illustrated beautifully in this book written by Ali Wensky. And essentially the question is this: what makes your home happy? Do you have the opportunity when you search for a new home to create a floor plan that's going to work well for your family? Do you get a chance to really think about gathering all the items that you love? You want to find your inspiration in terms of how your family is going to really be in the best possible location and the best living arrangement and a home that's going to enable you to really optimize your life. And most importantly, the question is, what makes you happy at home? So if any of those questions resonate with you, feel free to reach out to us over the course of the coming year so that we can help you to achieve your dreams. Remember, there is no place like home. We wish you all the best over the holidays, health and happiness to your friends, and a great big thank you. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we will see you next time. Paul Brouillette, Layer Realty, signing off.